Guys, have you ever heard of a croque-monsieur but inside a croissant? Let's make it so easy and so good. So first, few slices of ham. Not too thin but not too thick, so you get enough bite. Right, croissant. So those croissants are stale croissants. They are not very fresh. They are like probably 1 or 2 days old. Which there has to be fair. So here I got a bechamel which I've made yesterday. You can have a look on my channel. I will put a link in the description. With cheese, nutmeg, black pepper, well seasoned. It's lovely. So prepping wise, I got my ham, bechamel in a piping bag, some warm milk, croissant, and grated cheese. So the warm milk is to dip the croissant inside. Little bit, both sides. Remove the excess. So that will make them squishy and nice, come back to life. If they are fresh, you don't have to do it. But I promise you, if a stale croissant dipped in the milk, garnished with the bechamel and ham, tastes better if you do it from a fresh one. Okay, bechamel now, all over. Nice slice of ham, which we're gonna fold in two so it takes the shape of the croissant. Little bit more bechamel on top. So that's to stick the lid. Some more on top. And that will stick the cheese. Hold the croissant. Dip it upside down into the cheese and the cheese stick on a baking tray. So those little guys is gonna go in the oven, 170, so it cooks nice from inside, it grilled nicely the top. Guys, it's ready. Oh, goodness. Yay, yay, yay. I can't get the smile out of my face. It's so good. Look at the crispiness of the cheese, crispiness of the croissant. Good, good, good. Well, we're gonna let them cool down a little bit. And then we're gonna eat one. Well, moment of truth. The flakiness of the croissant is incredible with the bechamel, the savory ham. And that crusty cheese on top, fabulous. So for this cheese you can use cheddar. I've been using cheddar, or you can use Gruyere, Emmental. I hope you can make it. Enjoy!